Hello, dear viewers. Today, we bring you fascinating insights into an extraordinary architectural marvel built with collective determination. Though immense in scale, its creators are among the smallest creatures on Earth, termites. This structure is breathtakingly deep and beautifully complex, meticulously crafted by these tiny builders. The sheer precision of their massive mound is astounding. One grain of sand at a time, they work tirelessly, facing obstacles, yet never ceasing. Despite occasional collapses, their collective efforts always prevail. As you watch this video, witness the remarkable teamwork of these resilient beings. Termites are nature's ultimate architects, embodying boundless perseverance and community spirit. Their colonies function with astonishing efficiency, constructing towering mounds that exceed 10,000 times their own height. No challenge deters them, they rise after every setback, tirelessly rebuilding. Their strength and dedication are second to none. These creatures are never driven by time, but by action, born to work, not merely to think. Their speed, cooperation, and unwavering rhythm create a seamless operation that mesmerizes onlookers. Efficiency is their defining trait. No matter how fast they move, every step is executed flawlessly, ensuring each grain of sand reaches its rightful place in the grand design. Yet, within just a single rainy season, all their work dissolves back into the ground, a monumental setback for us. yet simply the foundation of their next endeavor for them? Without hesitation, they begin again, undeterred. Interestingly, despite natural threats like floods, termites always build their colonies near water sources. Why? Because for them, rain is a blessing. It marks the transition into their final stage of life. As they grow wings, they prepare to depart. But this transformation comes at a cost soon after. They become prey for birds, meeting an inevitable fate. Their abandoned colonies then serve as nesting grounds for snakes and other creatures. Every termite mound is connected through an intricate underground network, impossible to measure. Their numbers are beyond estimation, their tunnels unfathomably vast. Even they continue working without knowing the precise end of their labor. It's simply their instinct. Most astonishingly, their strength never falters. Failure is just another phase for them falling, rising, and pushing forward. Their resilience is extraordinary, making them masters of underground engineering with tireless persistence. Deep within their colonies, roles are meticulously divided. Workers tirelessly construct, soldiers stand guard, and a well-protected queen reigns from her hidden chamber. Unlike workers, the soldiers don't participate in labor, but devote their existence to defending their home. As workers stack grains of sand, rainwater refines their creation into a smooth masterpiece, shaping stunning formations. Yet, lurking predators patiently wait for their chance to kidnap isolated termites, disrupting their colony. These termites endure trials, some face captivity, others suffer harsh treatment from rivals. They may be beaten, even sacrificed, but no matter the obstacles, they never abandon their purpose. Their life cycle and unwavering dedication are intertwined, creating one of nature's most powerful survival stories. passionate about nature and environmental discoveries, subscribe to our channel and explore more fascinating videos. Share with your friends who care about nature. Like the video if you enjoyed it, and comment below. Which creature from our previous videos intrigued you the most? Which species would you love to learn more about? Thank you for watching. May freedom thrive on Earth.